Hello, Alex. I really respect you and your method, so I wanted your feedback on this. Thank you, Alex. What do you think about dry fasting, no food, no water, for 24 to 96 hours to heal the body of all degenerative diseases? Well, I've thought a lot about this lately. Now, remember, diseases is a fabrication of the medical mind, but there's a lot of degenerative conditions out there, or degenerative tissue in the human body. Most everybody has the level of degeneration in them today. Matter of fact, the sad thing is that infants coming through the chute now, these fetuses have atypical cells already, and there has been diagnosis of cancer cells in infants. To understand that, you have to understand what damages a cell, the system that deals with the acids, of course, the lymphatic system, these are all lymphomas, and the fact that the cells in our babies are so weak from genetic passing and the lack of understanding of proper nutrition for humans, for the Homo sapiens species, that we're seriously in trouble. And I think a lot of you parents know that. And sadly, we have a lot of you parents that have some sick kids that we're really working on to get them back. So there's a lot of genetic remembering of cells, the regenerative process for sure. Essential to be thinking about regeneration. That's why we do regenerative detoxification. Because the end goal of detoxification is the regeneration of tissue. Understanding what brings down tissue, not difficult because you only have two sides of chemistry to deal with, and since everything is chemistry here, that's where you have to go to blame. You don't blame something else. Foods are chemistry. Everything is chemistry, so you have to go to chemistry. Well, sometimes chemistry is too hard for people to understand. Get that. But you only have to know that chemistry has two sides to it, the healing side and the side that will break you down. Understand the base side, the healing alkaline side, and the acid corrosive side. Understanding that a lot of foods men eat are acid-forming foods. And all those acid-forming foods on top of the acids that are produced from the metabolism of nutrition is just bringing man down in inflammation, which is acidosis. So always know that you can reverse that very simply. In a dry fasting scenario, I see more and more benefit with that myself. I think animals tend to dry fast a little more in nature than water fast, in that water's not always available to animals. And so I think there is dry fasting. We've seen dry fasting actually open up kidney filtration when there was none. So I think a 24-hour dry fast, 36 hours at the most, I think would be good. I don't know about long-term dry fasting. I'm going to hold my... I'll say this. Before you dry fast, please spend about a month or two detoxing properly. Get on your diet of raw. Get on the herbs to clean the bowels, to get the kidneys going, get all that. Get down the road a little bit by opening up, killing parasites, get worms out of you, flukes, all this stuff. In other words, get your body a little better before you dry fast. That's going to be highly recommended.